Lately, Lyft has been offering some solid bonuses. Meanwhile, Uber has been offering nothing. Let's discuss. Alright, so technically it hasn't been months since I've driven for Uber. I've given like 3 rides in the past 2 months, but for the last month straight, I have not given a single ride for Uber. Lyft has been consistently offering me ride challenges anywhere from $50 to $120 for giving 50 to 60 rides. And these are Monday through Thursday bonuses, not Friday through Sunday. Uber is still offering me those Friday through Sunday bonuses, but they've offered me nothing Monday through Thursday for about a month and a half now. Monday through Thursday are the days that I drive. I don't drive on the weekends. Uber must have plenty of drivers Monday through Thursday, and that's why they're trying to get me to drive on the weekend. But also, maybe they're not offering me these Monday through Thursday quests because I'm not consistently driving for them. I'm consistently driving for Lyft. I had this reverse problem when I wasn't consistently driving for Lyft. I wasn't being offered bonuses by Lyft. From my experience, I think it comes from consistency driving for the platforms. That's how you get offered bonuses. But also, towards the middle of the summer, Uber was offering really low quests, like $5 to $10 quests for the minimum tiers. So that's the main reason I started driving for Lyft instead of Uber. Lyft was offering a lot better bonuses than Uber was. Now, these past 2 months are the most consistent I've driven for Lyft in years. A few years ago, they made a really ill-informed change here in my market of Minneapolis and St. Paul, where they decided, oh, we're going to pay you for the pickup distance now, which is great. They're going to pay us for pickup distance. But in turn, they slashed our per mile rate by 50%, a huge rate cut for most drivers. So from 2019 to the end of 2021, I don't think I gave a single Lyft ride because of that change. Now, late last year, Lyft started offering me some really nice ride challenges and also earnings guarantees. This brought me back to their platform, and they also implemented upfront fares, so the pay models on both Uber and Lyft are the same now in my market. So the playing field is pretty level now in terms of how drivers are getting paid. The model is the same on both platforms. So I'm getting those bonuses on Lyft. I'm not getting them on Uber. Also, in addition to those bonuses, Lyft is paying well on a lot of the upfront fares. My requirement for accepting upfront fares is getting paid at least $1 per mile for the entirety of the trip, both the pickup distance and the on-trip distance. And Lyft is meeting or exceeding that requirement on most requests. And the main exceptions still are those longer rides. Those are not paying well compared to the time and distance model. Unless those longer rides have a ride bonus attached, they are not worth it. Lyft also has the stay within area filter, which I love. I use it all the time. I love to use it near downtown areas during peak times because there's a lot of ride bonuses attached to most requests. So yeah, for the last month straight, I have not given a single ride for Uber, and even the month prior, I only gave like 3 rides, destination rides that I wanted to use Uber for. I've been consistently driving for Lyft because they've been offering me those ride challenge bonuses. I've also noticed that I just prefer Lyft overall. I prefer the driver app. I prefer the passengers. I believe this is an initiative by the new CEO, David Risher, to bring drivers back to the Lyft platform. For me personally, it has worked. But what about you guys? Are you consistently seeing good bonuses with Lyft like I am? What about with Uber? Are you being offered bonuses with Uber, or are you being offered nothing like I am? Leave a comment below and let us know. Thanks again for watching, and drive safe. Thanks.